What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to T3G. My name is Dalibor. This is another update video, and today we're going to be installing the shelf for the consoles. To be honest with you, my first run at this, I misjudged the size. It was too long, so I'm gonna have to cut it. But here is the brackets that we have right now. We've got the same amount of brackets. You see how tight this is, and this was accidental. I didn't do this on purpose, but it's very, very tight. I promise, even though that last one is way closer to the one above it, this is even. This is level. I used a level, so I don't know what that's about. I don't know why that one's so much closer, but it's level. When the shelf goes in, it'll be a level shelf, and let's get the shelf put in. There it is, ladies and gents. It's installed. It's not quite straight, I think. Can you tell in the video? It's ironically, and I think it actually kind of balances. This side is lower up here. I did recheck the level, and then this side is lower somehow. But also, I put the level. I'm sorry, I put the board on, and it was like angular. Like if I push down this side went up, the back corner. So who the hell knows at this point? But let's go ahead and let's put on some consoles. Boom, there it is. There it is, set up with Xbox One, 360, PS3, PS4. PS4 is not plugged in yet because my Switch was actually not working, so I had to go to a three-way switch, so only those three are connected. So I need to get a new switch, which is a bummer, but I updated the Xbox 360 and the PS3 for the first time in a year, so that was fun. But yeah, I've got the chargers up here for the controllers for the 360 and the Xbox One. Those are wired recharging, and then that's also going to be wired recharging, but I got to get a dock for those too, because I need to get another one anyway. But yeah, so far so good. Obviously, cable management not the greatest right now, but we're getting there. We're getting there. I'm pretty excited. This is dope. All right, this is going to be a weird way to end this video. I'm trying to get right in the focus spot. I think this is it. This is going to be a weird way to end this video, but this is going to be the end of this update to the Ultimate Battle Station. Here we have a daggone mess, right? Here is the mess. Right, did a little cleaning up in that middle station. No huge difference. Down here is going to be my storage for project cases and things like that. Over here that's kind of the next big step, is converting this into an on-wall unit. So that's going to be a while, but I think that's going to be the next big update. But this is really like the biggest change. We're going to be building a computer for this setup. These are the three 24-inch monitors Hodis is going to be using. We've got the 32-inch Samsung in the corner there. That is specifically for like testing, for game systems and things like that. If we want to like throw things like the little SNES Classic, that's where it's going to go. Since the gaming systems are here, down here we're going to have the video game. Just brought this shelf out so I can transfer everything into there. All these board games are going to go upstairs. I don't know if it's going to be possible to see. I think it is, yeah, right there. So I brought up two shelves, and that's where the dogs are really whining, but that's where the board games are all going to go. That's where we're at right now. That's kind of the biggest thing. So the next steps are going to be converting that into an all on-wall like flat unit, and then building these shelves over here. For now, these are gonna stay here. I'll see if I can build those during the winter, but it's quite possible that I may just have to do that in the spring. But for now, this is gonna be the last part of this series. For now, the last update. It's usable. It's just a matter of cleaning, and that's what I'll be doing here. And having this clean isn't gonna make this any more done. It'll just be clean. So check out the vlog if you want to see it done. I'm going to be cleaning up over the next couple days, but otherwise that's going to be it for this one. Yeah, make sure you like, subscribe. The next ones are going to be the ones that are going to be the most fun, I think, because then we're going to be building this flat unit computer. We're going to be building some wall shelf units that are, I mean, here's the preview. Here's like the idea that I got, and this is the ones I'm going to make for the back wall here. Looks cool, right? So that's kind of what I'm shooting for. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.